This is a 120 Prado series fit out. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, essentially in this video I'm going to be showing you the dual battery fit out I did on Brad's 120 series Prado. Essentially it was just a 120 amp lithium battery put behind his drawers and ready for him to take out camping. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks and more epic videos coming up. Really appreciate the support and I'll see you later in the video. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, we got Brad's 2003 120 series Prado, and he's put all his faith and trust in me, which I don't know if is a good idea, and I've done a dual battery fit out for him. So what he's done is he put two Titan 900mm drawers in there, and I basically did the rest. I'll show you little clips of everything all set up as we're going through the video so you can have a closer insight at it. But basically, we got 110 amp lithium battery sat behind the drawers, one of the slimline ones. They're awesome. We got a 160 watt solar panel on the roof, and essentially it's all wired in. We've got an inverter, a fridge, we've got the King's panel here that shows your volts. It's got two accessory sockets and a USB port. We've also got an accessory socket on the top. This is purely because we knew he was putting the bushwhacker on, so I chucked an accessory socket straight on the top so you can plug the wiring in straight there for the bushwhacker lights, which is, I think, is a really cool addition. You would have seen that on Mum and Dad's Prado in the other videos. Also, we have a light on the back door here that I've wired through. It turns on, it's got orange, and then you can change the mode to white and a different white. He really enjoys that one. He already had the K on table on there, the K on table on there. And he already had the cargo barrier, so we mounted the inverter straight on the cargo barrier. And yeah, that's essentially it. If you guys want to stick around for it, here's the installation of all of it. Let's get into that. So first thing I'm going to start out with is mounting the solar panel on the roof and running the wiring up for it. He also wants an accessory socket mounted at the back, just for the bushwhacker so he can plug in his lights, mounted about there. So I run the wiring up for that. What I do is run it through this gap here. I have to do on either side because it's pretty tight, and then run the wiring up there and ready for the solar panel. So yeah, let's get into that. As you can see here guys, I'm just chucking, so I've got the solar wiring all run down under the bonnet, and also the accessory socket wiring. So what I'm doing is I'm putting it in the same loom as the dual battery wiring. This is so that there's not 5 looms running under the car, and it's all in one bit of tubing and it's all neat. So just a tip for you guys, if you're doing this, make sure you think ahead and put everything in the same loom because it looks so much better. So guys, another tip for your dual battery or whatever you're doing running wires is I'm running 2 of the same looms, so 2 bits of 4mm twin, the solar and the accessory socket. So a good way to know which one you're running is grab one of them and just split the ends like this and split it apart so you can see the wiring like that, and then just write down which one you did that to. So for example, I'm doing this one to the solar, so I'll say write down on my phone solar has split wiring, so then when you get there you know which one's which, because obviously one loom's longer than the other on the roof, one goes to the back, one goes to the front, so I need to know which one's which. So just split the wiring like that, and then you know exactly which one's which. So for anyone who doesn't know what this is a Noco Genesis 10. It's a 10 amp charger. Basically what it allows is you to plug this into the wall and it will charge your whole battery system. So all it needs is you run it to the battery obviously, and then you just have an extension cord or something to plug into this so you can run it straight to your wall and charge it when it's not in the sun using the solar panel or anything like that. So they're a really good idea, really cool thing. Beautiful kit. They're not very expensive, so this is really good to have in your car. They're just a cool thing. So yeah, just thought I'd show you that. So basically, I'm going to be mounting the Noco right there. It comes with that little bracket, so I'll rivet that in and we'll get this mounted up. Alright, so we got the big slimline battery here. We actually had a smaller one, but a worse one. the cheaper version, just to see if that would fit. But we had to get the big one, the metal case. It's beautiful. It's an awesome battery. Alright guys, so I've been away for a while just wiring this up because I just want to get it done. But what I've done is mounted the BCDC here just on top of the fuse box in the bonnet. I've got the wiring here that goes down to the auxiliary battery. This is the solar panel wiring, joins in the loom, and the solar panel wiring there, same loom. And then I've also got to just tee into this quickly and grab the feed off the solar panel wire just to put it to the solar panel feed for the BCDC charger. And then I've got the MIDI fuse here for that. That's not hooked up yet because I don't want power at the back yet. And then I've got it all earth down there. Mine, this wasn't us, this was how straight in there like that for the wings. I'm going to have to buy 2 more power studs as well.